friends, our new topic is for today demo is control structures and functions in Python. Today we will understand what are control structures and Python. Control structures and functions in Python. Control structures are base of programming. They help computers to do what they do best, automate repetitive tasks intelligently. The most common control structures are if else statement and for and while loops, and list and dictionary comprehension. Another crucial thing you will learn here in coming demos how to write your own functions. There are few functions which are not available. So we will write our own function and it will work as we define that. Almost every powerful program, be it web, app or a machine learning algorithm, is a set of functions written to perform a specific task. So control structure are a loads of program that analyze a variable and choose the output based on the preset condition. Control structure are applicable to day-to-day tasks. We will first cover control structures followed by functions in Python. Control structures are used to control the order of execution of a program on the basis of logic and values. Also, a function is a set of statements that takes input, does some computation and returns an output. Instead of writing a set of commonly used tasks repeatedly, we can simply write a function and call it. Obviously, if we really want to use same thing repeatedly, why we will write same thing repeatedly? We will call it. We will be covering both these concepts in depth, and this is a reasonably challenging topic. I will recommend personally going through the content coming demos few times so you can grasp the things. Control structure are applicable to day-to-day tasks. Like, for example, if your mobile battery drops to below 10%, then it sends a reminder to you. Obviously, it's a reminder to us. There may be 10% or 15%. So, it's a control structure. If a battery is equal to this, then send the reminder. In the same condition, I can say if today is a rain, I will order an umbrella. I would order an umbrella. So if condition is this, then output should be this. In the similar way, if you go to your car and you just start driving, it will remind you to wear the seat belt until you do the same. It's also a day-to-day application of control structure. If someone is driving, someone is there and started the car, then he should wear the seat belt. Otherwise, a horn alarm will be there. Your microwave working on the same principle. You just preset the value for few seconds or few minutes, then it will just heat up for up to that minute. At the time, if preset time is equal to preset time, then it will turn off. In this coming demos, you are going to cover if else condition, loop, control, and functions. So I will just recommend you please go through my coming demos repeatedly so you can get the things clearly. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.